Hi, welcome to GreatAlbum. This is the GreatAlbum homepage for anonymous user to create a new account or log in using their existing accounts. Let me log in using my Google account here. This is the logged in user view. As you can see the list of global nav icons listed in the left side. There are two main tabs called All Albums and My Albums here. In All Albums, you will see all the albums that are listed in GreatAlbum in which you are a member of or not a member. As you can see, I am already a member of Grandma the Great, Celebrate Mary Harris, and Life in Canada albums. This is the My Album view where you will see the albums that you have created or a member of that album. Now let me create a new album in GreatAlbum. I'm going to create an album called Life in Canada in GreatAlbum. Here, I want to list this album in all album. So I am selecting this list in all album button. I'm going to write description. Let me add media cover here. I have a bunch of options to choose media from existing, new, Google photo, etc. etc. I'm going to add a new image from my laptop here. Same way I'm going to add my profile media and I'm going to create an album. I have successfully created an album called Life in Canada at GreatAlbum now. Let's have a look at Life in Canada album. Here I have added cover media and profile media. You can see all these tabs here. If you want to add media, events, stories, individuals, places to this album, you can use these tabs. And let's say if I want to add more members to this album, I can add the members who are already a user in GreatAlbum. Also, if I want to invite a member who are not a member of GreatAlbum, I can invite them using their email ID and submitting. Now let's create an event inside an album called Life in Canada. I'm going to add an event here. I'm adding an event called Anna Wedding Ceremony. Start date, end date. Please note, until and unless I create an event, I cannot add place and individual here. So I'm going to add media cover. I'm going to add description. I'm going to save this. Here it is. I have successfully created an event called Anna Wedding inside an album called Life in Canada. So let me go inside an event called Anna Wedding Ceremony. Inside an event, like I said, now I can add places related to this event by adding place, individuals related to this event by adding individuals, stories, media, etc. etc. I can add cover photos. I can also import Google Photos to this event here. Now let's have a look at an album and the content inside an album. This is an album called Grandma the Great.